Did you know that you can turn on the flashlight on your iPhone just by tapping the back? You don't have to search for the icon, open the control center, or go through the menu. Thanks to the back tap feature, you can activate the flashlight faster than ever. In this video, I'll show you how to set up this feature and turn the back of your iPhone into a shortcut for light. So, first open your settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down a bit, and there you will find the accessibility section. Tap on it. When you're in the accessibility section, the next thing you need to do is scroll down again to the physical and motor section, find touch, and tap on it. When you're on the touch settings page, you'll see a lot of options. Now scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the page, you'll see the back tap option. Tap on it. Once you've done that, you'll see two options: double tap and triple tap. Now you can choose whether you want to activate the flashlight by tapping twice or 3 times on the back of your phone. I'll choose double tap. Once you've selected it, in this section, you can see a list of available actions you can assign to the back tap function. Among them, you'll find the option to turn on the flashlight. Simply look for the option labeled torch or flashlight and tap on it. Once you've done that, your iPhone's back is now ready to respond to every tap and activate the light. Now, let's try it out. Just tap on the back of your iPhone, and your flashlight will turn on immediately. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've just set up this amazing feature on your phone. And that's it! I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.